got some motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old thoughts on the wall.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Aisha Janae. Welcome or welcome back to this video. Is going to be a travel vlog. So we are on a road trip. Our first stop is Birmingham. The last stop is going to be Dallas, and then we're stopping in Jackson, Mississippi in between. We have been on the road for about, did the time go back already? No. Okay, so it's 7:40. We left at like 5:30, so we've been on the, whoop, there they go. And we're also playing tag with this car, and she keeps like passing us, and we catch her, and then she passes. Anyways, we are in Tennessee, and so we're about 2.5 hours away from Birmingham. So we will check in with y'all when there's something to check in about. Okay, y'all, I just drove 5 hours. No, I drove like 2 hours, but I was gonna keep driving, but Wesley was complaining that I was driving too slow. So now he's driving. I did kind of put us about an hour behind, but yeah, we ain't made it to Birmingham just yet, but we about 30 minutes away. Wes, you know something?
Nah, he just taught me this.
Act like you know something.
Yeah, he just taught me this. I didn't know this.
You see how that's white right there?
Mm-hmm.
That means
Where's Cree? Kyla Cree. Hey, y'all.
You need your drink.
Right. There you go.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hero.
Thank you. Who named and I don't know who named each other.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
I'm Steve.
Steve.
I'm Steve. Wait, it's Steel. Chicken to
A life reserve. We've been using it to rebuild the mosquito population. Crikey.
Very well, Dr. Drakiba. You will...
Ooh, nice.
What's this going to be? Laundry.
Laundry. Let's see.
Hi, Yum.
Yeah. Mer. Oh, closet. What's this one? Closet too.
That's a closet.
Okay. Go.
Hey guys, this is my sister Kyler. Say hi. Hi. Say this is my sister. This is my sister Cree. Hi. We're gonna do an unboxing video for softball and soccer. Now let's get started.
First, Cree's gonna go open the glove. I'm gonna open the
First, I have a
soccer
glove
ball.
that's pink. Guess what color? Yeah, pink, black, blue.
What you got, Kyla?
I got a soccer ball. The color is black, a greenish, and kind of golden in here, and a little star.
Period.
Here.
And I also got a glove.
And we have a ball that's pink and green, and it says, what did I just say? I do not know what this is.
Rawlings.
Huh?
Rawlings.
Rawlings. This says Rawlings. Now, y'all want to get this? Go to Golf Galaxy or Dick's.
Hey, yeah. No sponsor.
Huh?
Say no sponsor.
No sponsor.
Say I'm out.
I'm out.
Kyla, say I'm out.
I'm out.
y'all. It is Tuesday morning. We made it to Dallas. I showed y'all the Airbnb tour, and then this morning we got up and we did a little HIIT workout real quick. Now I'm about to make some coffee before we have breakfast, and I'm trying to figure out this Ninja. I've never made coffee with a Ninja, so let's try it out. It's beeping right now. So I turned it on and put it on Rich. Now I'm about to put some water in it. Okay, y'all, that coffee did not turn out good, so I just threw it away. But now I am about to go ahead and wash my face. First I'm gonna wash my lashes. And I just bought this lash shampoo kit from Amazon. It came with that, the shampoo, and this little bag, a brush, and a whole pack of spoolies, and also a fan. But the fan's in my purse, so I have to go get it. Oh, and it also came with this to rinse your lash. Oh my gosh, sorry. I haven't had no coffee today, so I am all over the place. But it's to rinse the shampoo out. It was something I was. Oh, so y'all, I did not tell y'all, but so Athena, my dog, did not come, and this is the first time that I've been away from her since I've gotten her, and we got her almost 2 years ago. So I really miss her, and I hope she's not mad at me. And I know she's missing me. That's my little baby. But yeah, today the girls had some cereal instead of Wesley. I was gonna just have some coffee and then just eat some lunch, but I don't know, since I wasn't able to have no coffee, I'm kind of hungry, so I may have some cereal too until we get ready to go and have lunch. And today, when I was working out, that was the first time I worked out in probably 2 weeks, so that felt really good. Later on, we're supposed to be going to this place called Ninja Kid or something, Ninja Jump. I'm not sure. But I'll show y'all our OOTDs. I didn't really want anything. I just want to check in with you all. And I will pick up the camera again when we're about to do something. Bye. Oh, so that's another thing. So I had came down here with my hair straight, but as y'all seen earlier, we were in Jackson, Mississippi, and it was so hot, and we were staying in the country, so we was outside fishing, and so that was short-lived. But I was gonna re-straighten my hair, but the last day we were in Jackson, I didn't want to straighten it because it was just gonna sweat out because it was gonna be outside. So I've been wearing it curly, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep it curly or if I'm gonna straighten it, because I'm not exactly feeling it right now because my hair isn't trained to be down, because I haven't worn it down curly in so long. But we will see. Yesterday it didn't look bad, but it was too dry. I didn't put enough product in it. But I liked the shape, but today I'm not really feeling it. But yeah, so I will come back probably with an OOTD. Bye. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I just got La La Land for the first time. I got a strawberry matcha, and I got an avocado toast with truffle. Let's taste. It stinks. You don't like the smell of truffle? That means my breath is gonna smell like truffle. I need to take a picture first. Oh my gosh, I should have got a knife. not that bad.
It is that bad.
Okay, well, y'all, I'll be back when I try this. The girl said my food stinks.
You want Adrian to put it up?
Yes.
You want to put it up?
You gonna record it?
You want her to record it? Dang, Chuck, you gonna tear somebody LCL. You got me too.
How you pull it? I ain't never pulled no teeth. Open your
You
mouth.
just have to get a paper towel and then yank it.
You wanna go in the house and do it?
No, I don't have a paper towel to do it. Daddy, we need a paper towel. You can use it with your hand. Daddy.
Okay.
I'm still recording. Hi guys, Creed's about to get her teeth pulled out.
You gotta open your mouth.
Oh my God!
Her teeth got pulled out.
Come on, if you want me to do it.
Oh my God, it's bleeding too much. You're gonna die if she pull it out.
Daddy.
Hmm?
How would you say that?
Oh, I know. You say that. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Tyler, you got
Your nails is too long.
I know, I think so.
I mean, I gotta do it because her nails is too long.
You got your paper towel already? Yeah. Let me see, camera woman. What you got?
I'm gonna hop up into my dentist chair. Come on.
Lay back.
No!
Lay back.
I don't want to. Her shoes is on the table.
Grace, Skylar, so that's where I eat.
Daddy, where are you going?
Come, Kyla. Kyla.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Vitals.
No shoes on the table.
Scalpel.
That's your scalpel?
I want to.
Pliers. Needle. Big knife.
Don't cut me. A gum worm.
Kyla,
Yeah.
get down.
You not open your mouth, girl.
If you do this, then we'll give you a
Did you get it?
hurt.
You got it?
It hurt.
It was.
Oh. Let me see. Let me see.
No, you better keep up with it. Look at her.
You done?
It didn't work.
Oh yeah. She stuck the landing. Here goes Kyla Bug. Oh. What happened to that?
It's my second city. was thinking about that as well. I said, even if you got the Airbnb, is that soy sauce? Thank you.
What'd you get, Wes? What'd you get? Your feet hurting. Y'all, I have mixed feelings about my hair, but we just left the mall. We went, Wessel got some fitteds because he always lets his hats get faded in the car. So he got a black one. No, he got a red one and a camo one. I picked them out both. And then I got a shirt from Lululemon to go underneath my outfit. They didn't have any of the lavender luxe in the store because I think it just literally marked down. So I probably should have ordered it, but I didn't order it. But I kind of wanted it to wear today. And then we got P.F. Chang's, which I will insert clips of that in our food. And then we stopped at Pandora and we got the girls Stitch Lilo, no, Angel and Stitch necklaces, which are so cute. And then I got my rings cleaned. Them boys shining. I'm just mad that my nails are all messed up. But yeah, now we're fin to go to the zoo. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all, we had a kid-free night last night. And child, we went straight sleep. Okay, I am dressed. I have on my Lulu. And I need to put my earrings in. This is just the best of a bun I can do right now because my fingers are so sore. So that's what I have to do. And let me see if I can show you the rest of the pants. Got other pants, these shoes. Oh, and I didn't even show y'all the tank top I ended up doing. I didn't go with either of the ones that I tried on. I went with this style. Don't know the name, but it's cute, it's comfy, and this is a size, I think that this is a size 8. And if I get hot, I can always take that off and wear this. And then the girls have on little purple outfits too, and Wesley has on purple shorts. So hopefully I'll be able to show his outfit in a moment. Can y'all see him? I'm trying to sneak in the corner.
You got eye drops?
Yes. Come on.
No.
Y'all see Wessel's outfit? Yo.
You see over there by the kids?
Oh, can I go over there? Lion.
Oh Lord. It's only one of them? Her name?
Well,
I don't see it though.
it was uglier than that one. That shell looked like a watermelon.
It looked like a watermelon. What he would do? He's nasty looking.
Can you talk? Kangaroo.
What they doing?
Thank you so much.
Spray your fan.
It's a rain. All right. I just had my mic.
Oh Lord. Go. You supposed to recognize them.
I want to pet a goat.
Ain't you the goat?
I am the goat.
So why ain't you recognize your people?
Because I'm not looking at myself. If I was looking at myself, I would have seen it. ain't no mirror reflection.
That's a snake? That's a snake in the water. Where? Look. Whoa! Where is it? Oh, hey.
I thought it was gonna be some big bears. He's chilling. He been in his poop.
Oh, hey, Barry! Barry! High five! High five, Barry! Barry, high five!
Pretty. Oh my. You long. Huh?
I got you. Tell Hulk. Yeah, let me go to that one.
Oh.
I want to go to mine. I think I can fit
Y'all in between.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta say goodbye. Alright, Dallas. It's been real.